Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you been looking for a professional design app for your Mac? Then you should definitely check out Affinity Designer 2. Let's get started. First, let's know what is Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer 2 is a professional vector and raster graphic design software available for macOS. Let's download and install it. First, open your browser and search for Affinity Designer 2 for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Affinity. Click on it. Now click on download. As you can see, the download is started. Let the download be done first. As you can see, the download is finished. Now let's install it. Double click on the DMG file. Now just drag the Affinity Designer 2 to the application folder. That's it. As you can see, it is copying to the application folder. Once it's finished, close this. Open your Launchpad. You can see here Affinity Designer 2. Click on it. If macOS asks for permission, simply click open. Just click on open and that's it. Your Affinity Designer 2 will open. You can see the interface of Affinity Designer 2 on my screen. After launching, sign in with your Affinity accounts. Currently I do not have Affinity account. So that's how you can download and install Affinity Designer 2 on your Mac. Keep in mind that Affinity Designer 2 is a paid application. While you can download and install it for free, you will need to purchase a license to continue using all of its features. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.